Hello, here's the One Team Working Covid-19 update for Friday the 19th of June. So, first off, staff absence. So during the height of Covid-19, we saw a significant drop in non-Covid related absences, and there were some days when we had no absence at all, which was incredible, absolutely fantastic. Since Covid-19 has reduced in its intensity, there has been a general increase in absence, which is really disappointing, and it does have a significant impact both on colleagues within one team and also, most importantly, the individuals we support. On many occasions, colleagues are picking up additional shifts, they're extending the hours that they're working, they're doing sleep-ins, all to cover increased absence. We're so grateful to the staff that have been willing to do this, and a big thank you to every single member of staff who has done that and picked up those extra shifts. To those who've been absent from work, or maybe you're thinking that you may do, please consider the impact on your colleagues and on the individuals. Everyone is genuinely poorly at some stage in their lives. And, and if that is the case, Home from Home Care has a number of resources to support staff through that. However, when considering not attending work, please do consider carefully if you are actually unwell enough to justify the additional pressure on your colleagues and to cause individuals not to be able to do as many things as they possibly had hoped to do on that day, which in itself can impact on the team further. Our absence policy recognises the need for individuals we support to have consistent, reliable support staff, which is why we will continue to ensure that this is robustly implemented. Thank you again to everyone who's gone that extra mile to cover their colleagues for absences. We really do appreciate it. Home testing has been taking place for Covid-19. So far 82 tests have been completed by our fantastic testing team, which have been led by Amy Flood. So on the team as well has been Trish, Rachel and Shauna, with support from the IMS partners, resource team and Steve Cranston. But there's a lot that goes on in the background in terms of all those processes to make these tests happen. Admin, rotors, PPE, cleaning, lots of intersourcer teams have had an input to ensure that these tests can take place. A few teething problems at the beginning. We had courier collection issues, issues with accessing the portal because we've adapted the portal for the tests, and also testing kits have been recalled, but the testing process is underway and it's running well across all the locations. And next week they're going to increase to 2 testing teams per day, so that we can ensure that all staff and individuals are supported to have their tests as soon as possible once all MCAs and best interests are completed and all on the system and everything. All members of the testing team have gone through government competency training and are able to support staff and individuals to have their swabs completed. Staff in the homes have generally been, very supportive around completing the swabs, and many have said it's not as bad as expected. There is a video on this, so if you want to go to the wiki or on the YouTube channel, there is a video that shows the process, what's involved with the swabs, the throat, the nasal swabs, what it looks like. So please do have a look at that and watch that video so you know what's going to happen if you haven't had your test yet. And thank you to everyone for the one team working approach. Just make sure that something as necessary as testing like this is effective, it runs smoothly, and it minimises disruption to the day-to-day activities in the home. So thank you. Thank you also to everyone who sent in and supported individuals to be involved in the rainbow card competition. Overwhelmed. All of the designs were incredible, really hard to pick a winner. However, a winner was picked, and pleased to say it was Ian from the Old Hall with his winning design, which you can see here, and that's going to be printed on a greeting card. So more information will be sent out about this, but well done Ian, and well done to everybody. Really fantastic, thank you so much. And then some photos to share from activities and things that have been going on in the homes. Thanks everyone, see you again next week on Tuesday.